So with this review, I want to talk about each of these balls, how you can use them, if I would use them, where I would use them, and for each one, I am going to bring in at least one, I think 2 special guests. So stay tuned. Now, if we haven't met before, my name is Alice Turner. I am a doula, a childbirth educator with an engineering degree, and on my channel, I like to make videos about childbirth because I'm a firm believer that childbirth is a life-changing experience and I want you to be prepared for it. So one of my subscribers actually on the channel alerted me to this kit. It is called the Posture Magic Massage Ball Kit. And I got this one from Amazon. I liked it for a few reasons. First of all, I was in the need of some new massage tools. I was really hoping and interested in trying something out. I also love the kit aspect of this. It is an excellent price. When I bought it, I think it was $25 on Amazon, and when I was including the link down below, it was $19. It comes in blue and purple, and it comes in this little bag. So there are 6 different tools. So I like that because everyone's a little bit different, and depending upon the body part that is being massaged, some tools are better than the others. It comes with 2 foam balls, so a large and a small ball. Then we've got a foam, looks like kind of a roller. They call it a peanut ball, peanut roller, and that's also foam. It comes with this fun spiky ball, which is plastic and pretty hard. And then a typical lacrosse ball, which if you haven't seen one before, it is rubbery, but it is very dense, very hard, heavy ball. And then the last thing they call a hand massager, which I have actually never seen before or used before. So 6 different tools in this one kit, which I really love. And I am going to test out all but 2. So when I got the kit, I looked at them, I gave just a little bit of time playing around with them, and I'm gonna eliminate 2. Now, it doesn't mean that if you have this kit that you wouldn't want to use these 2. I just think when it comes to labor and pregnancy, I probably wouldn't use these 2 as much as those other 4. So these are the 4 that I will do a product review and a tutorial. Let's do it. So the easiest way to show you these different tools is with a guest. My first guest is my daughter, Cecile. She's going to play the role of the pregnant person. I'll be testing out 3 different massage techniques with each of these tools and putting them in a split screen so that you can see each of the tools in action on the same massage technique. Okay guys, ready for my second special guest, and that is my husband Rob. So, he hasn't been in any video yet. This is his big debut. Welcome. Okay, so what I want to do is to show Rob the video that I just made that you guys just saw of the tutorial and the review of those 4. And I'm going to show him the video and then see if he can replicate what I'm teaching easily. Okay, let's try. Okay, here's your big shot. Grab one of those and then show me how you can use it, or how you would use it in labor.
Okay.
one that you think is the easiest?
This one.
Okay. Choose the one that you think you would want to leave at home.
This one.
Okay.
Same hand.
Awesome. And what's your second favorite?
The large ball.
Nice.
Yeah. So I would choose these two if I were packing to take things with.
If I was going to choose my favorite, in case you're asking.
Which one would you choose if you were choosing your favorite?
I would choose these. Oops. I would choose these two also.
Nice.
That's good.
There's alignment.
Yeah. Okay, so we haven't pre-recorded this.
No.
What would you say what are the two things that you should do if you wanted to make the most of using massage in labor?
I would do practice them at home
Okay.
beforehand.
Yes.
And I would also listen to my spouse, in this case Alice, where the right places on her back and where she needed the most comfort or wherever she was most discomfort and where we needed to apply this.
Communication.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, we finished our review of all of these types of balls, but there's one more ball that is so helpful in labor, and that is the birth ball. Put together an awesome video for you about that right here. Check it out. See you next time. Bye. I wish I could juggle. Ready for my second special guest, and this person has never been in any of my videos, and I think I've loaded like 200. And he didn't turn his phone off, so it's beeping.